Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to show you how to check how long you've been subscribed to someone's YouTube channel. Are you looking for a quick guide how to check how long you've been subscribed to someone on YouTube? Stay tuned because this video is for you. All right, so how can I find out when I'm subscribed? How long have I subscribed to YouTube? So what you need to do is go to this this link here, this URL link that we are highlighting, and then this is safe. Enter URL of your channel. Hit continue button now. If your channel is private, make sure that your subscriptions are public. So you have an option to toggle this on and off. And after that, it might take a few minutes for that to take effect. So after that, you will see how long you've been subscribed to certain people that you followed on YouTube, certain people that you subscribed to in YouTube. And this is like the example of it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.